So here is Snapchat, and if you scroll down to my tokens section, here you will see your tokens. And here what basically that is, it's some new feature which I just discovered that was this tab was just marked as new in the Snapchat settings. So let's just discover together what are those. Snap tokens can be purchased from inside the Snapchat app. Tokens can be redeemed for gifts to send to creators, and they can also be redeemed for digital goods within games to upgrade your gameplay experience. So that's that. So these are not Web3 crypto tokens. This is not like Ethereum, ERC20 tokens or something like that. No, this is just like inside Snapchat tokens. Of course, maybe in future they will move it to some crypto blockchain stuff, but now this is just like story gifts which you can bring to your creators. So similar features there is on TikTok, where you can start gifting people. And to be available for that feature on TikTok, you need to have 100,000 subscribers. Here, I don't know how it works, but yeah, here are the tokens, you can buy them. Here it is, so you can buy Snap token pack, 80 tokens for 99 cents. And then I have what to do if you have an issue with Snap token. If you're having trouble purchasing tokens, check out your internet connection, switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi, restart the Snapchat app, check for Snapchat updates, restart your device. Try turning your device off and then on again. This can help your apps run better. So something like that. Yeah, so that's basically that. Hope this is helpful.